Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that packs some serious features, the AE86 Pro Max Plus drone from Sinilco. This isn't just any quadcopter. It's positioned as a professional-grade UAV designed for serious flying and transport capabilities. Right off the bat, the name highlights some key aspects. It's the AE86 Pro Max Plus, suggesting a high-end model. The carbon fiber black finish gives it a sleek, professional look, and the material itself often implies durability and lightness, although the listed weight is quite substantial at 6.6 pounds. One of the standout features mentioned is the 8K capability. While the exact camera sensor details aren't provided, the promise of 8K resolution means incredibly detailed aerial footage and photography. Complementing this is a 3-axis mechanical brushless pan tilt system. This is crucial for smooth, stable video, eliminating shaky footage even when the drone is moving or facing wind. A mechanical gimbal is far superior to electronic stabilization for professional results. For connectivity and control, the drone utilizes Wi-Fi and is described as having 5G capabilities, likely referring to 5G Wi-Fi for high-bandwidth video transmission. The control distance is impressive, listed at 4.8 kilometers, which translates to just under 3 miles. This long range, combined with professional GPS flying features, allows for extensive flight paths and reliable positioning, essential for mapping, surveying, or long-distance filming. Safety is addressed with laser obstacle avoidance. This technology helps the drone detect and navigate around obstructions in its path, adding a layer of security during flight, especially in complex environments. Beyond just capturing footage, this drone is also built for transport. It boasts a significant load capacity of 800 grams, which is about 1.76 pounds. This makes it suitable for carrying small payloads, opening up possibilities for various applications beyond just aerial imaging. Powering this machine is an 8,000 milliamp-hour lithium polymer battery, which is included. A large battery capacity like this suggests potentially longer flight times, though actual endurance would depend on payload, flight conditions, and speed. Overall, the Sinilco AE86 Pro Max Plus drone appears to be a robust platform. It combines high-resolution 8K imaging with a stable 3-axis gimbal, long-range GPS control, laser obstacle avoidance, and a notable payload capacity, all wrapped in a carbon fiber body. The listed weight of 6.6 pounds is something to consider, but the feature set points towards a drone designed for demanding tasks and professional use. It's a package that seems built for pilots who need advanced capabilities for both capturing stunning visuals and potentially transporting small items over significant distances.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.